Hello everyone,
I'm Jude.
and I'm Dania. And today, what are you going to show them, Jude?
I'm going to show how you make ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream? It's too hot, right? And it's too humid, and we're trying to make a recipe that doesn't need any blender. Let's hope it works. So Jude, what do we need?
We need this first.
Salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we need honey in this.
Ziploc bags?
With a block bag. And we need yogurt.
Yogurt?
And the
It's okay. That's measuring spoons.
strawberry. And ice.
Ice.
Yeah, can I check it as well? So cool.
We're going to try to work fast so that the ice doesn't melt. And almost, yeah. What do we need also?
Paper towel.
A towel, not a paper towel. Okay, so let's start chopping some strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries. We have here 3/4 cup because we want the flavor to be intense, or frozen just into small pieces. It's nice to have some chunks in your ice cream. We are going to work fast. Because although it's very humid and so warm, it might rain any minute. Chop. This might be really messy.
I just want ice.
Are you chopping strawberry? Don't put your knife in your mouth. This one is not sharp, I know, but it's dangerous, okay? No knives in the mouth. Thank you.
Put this ice on my fork.
Jude, less eating, more chopping.
Yeah?
Less eating, more chopping. Chop.
Maybe I can use this too.
If you have a hand blender and you don't like the strawberry chunks, you can puree them. But we don't want to use any tool today. Chop. You're gonna leave big chunks? Oh, that's the last one. Chop. It's too messy.
Why?
Look. Okay, so now what are we going to do? In the smaller Ziploc bag, we're going to add our strawberries. Let's take this sharp knives away. Wait, this one on. Let me put all this away. Okay, put the strawberries inside. Okay, we dump the strawberry in. Next, we have here 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt.
No.
Let's empty them first and then you can have yours, okay?
All?
Yes,
No, I didn't want some.
if you eat some of these, then you're gonna have less ice cream.
No?
Yep,
I didn't.
okay, go ahead. Give me
I don't know.
your nose. Add
I
1 to 2 tablespoons of honey depending on your preference of sweetness. Let's put the honey.
I would do it. I would do it.
We are going to add only 1.
I would do honey. Which one can I eat honey? This one?
Okay, make sure there is no strawberry stuck on the zip of the Ziploc bag. Empty all the air out and use also the yogurt. Use it really cold, not okay. We're gonna mix these a little bit. So in a bigger Ziploc bag, just a little bit to mix them together. Okay. I am going to add the ice. I have here around 3 cups of ice. Let's dump them in. Coarse salt, rock salt, kosher salt, Okay, this will keep the ice cold.
Oh no!
Okay, we have to work fast. Now you're gonna have some fun. So we're just mixing these a little bit together. Mix, Ruth.
Mix.
Mix them. Just squeeze.
It's a mix, please.
Yeah, squeeze all. Because we want the honey in all the parts.
I squeeze down.
Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to put this bag inside the bigger bag of rice.
But there's ice in it.
Yes, because we want to make ice cream. So we need ice. Take off all the air. Zip the bag. Hands might get so cold. We are going to put this one in a towel, kitchen towel.
And close it.
There's still some air here. And then just close it. And the fun part is going to start. Just wait.
Oh. What are you doing? What are you
Just
doing?
trying to seal it inside. And now what are you going to do? Jude, you're going to catch the towel with the bag and shake for like 5 to 7 minutes. And you're gonna stay shaking until you get a soft serve ice cream. Keep shaking.
Yeah?
You need your muscles. Then how are we going to eat ice cream? We have to keep shaking it so that it will turn into ice cream. And friends, remember, because it's too hot and it's summer, you have to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. So it's a chance for us when we're outside, to drink some water. Shake. We're making so much noise. Hopefully there's no one sleeping at your place. You're gonna take some turns, okay? Because I don't have strong muscles. Your turn. I'm gonna drink water and you're gonna shake. Shake. Catch it from here. One hand up here and one hand down here. And shake. Yeah.
I have little bit muscle.
You have a little bit of muscles? Okay, let's make them bigger and stronger by shaking. My turn? Quick peek
Yeah.
and see if ice cream is ready or not yet.
Captain,
Nothing.
is it ready?
No, not yet, but it is getting ready.
Let's see.
Yeah. You want to see it?
Yeah. Why there's water in it?
Look how it got really divided.
Pink.
Wait.
It's a pinkish. It's a pinkish.
Look at the ice cream
Mom,
out of the bag.
why are we gonna put no corn in it?
No corn because we don't have corns now. You're gonna scoop some?
Yes, I'm just scoop some. Scoop some.
Wow!
Is this mine?
Yeah, we're gonna try it. Look.
Too much.
Wow! And if you keep shaking more, you're gonna see like all these strawberry consistency, the ice cream. Yummy. If you don't want to do all this shaking, you can, in the blender, you can add around 250 grams of chopped strawberries, but make sure that they're frozen first. And then you can add 1 cup of plain yogurt. You can add 2 tablespoons of honey and just make it in the blender and you will have instant ice cream and you will save all this shaking, but I think it's going to be really fun for your kids to do this and for you to do it together. Stay hydrated. Also drink a lot of water. Goodbye.
Bye.